look how smooth it glides. That smooth, nice noise. No clutter, clutter, rutter, rutter, man. Just smooth, peaceful, glistening noises. Electric buses are a vibe, man. Come on. That's SEL5. Yeah, you see what I like about electric buses. They actually got sound to them. But electric cars, on the other hand, not for me. I mean, I'm a fan of some of their styles here and there. But overall, sound-wise, I'm not really too into like electric cars. Electric buses, on the other hand, electric trains, hell yeah. That's my thing still. Thank you. Fuck is that sound, bro?
B16 to Bexley Heath Mass Garage.
I can't, I might get off this bus, bro. Fuck is that sound, bro? Nah, I might have to get off. Because the fuck is that noise? I don't want no electric bus blowing up on me, bro. I'm a dickhead, bro. Nah, it'll be minor. It'll be minor, yeah. I'm sure the driver's not done anything about that. Like, he's not just taking the bus out of service ASAP. Because I know I would if I was driving this thing. Bro, why is he slamming it about, bro? Does he not give a fuck? Maybe, no, it's this driver. This driver's the one that's done this to the bus, bro. I clocked it, bro. Why is it going over the humps like that? He didn't even slow down on nothing. No, that noise is actually pissing me off, bro.
Sutcliffe Park. Ooh, the noise them tires make as if the bus is about to drift or something.